Hello and welcome to Art Snacks. Today we're going to draw an impossible triangle. We're going to start with 3 lines. So they're going to go like this and this and this. Okay. Now this drawing that I'm about to do is really an illusion. An impossible triangle couldn't exist in real life. There's what we have so far. Now we're going to go from here. See how I just kind of push over a little bit, come down to there, and then I'm going to connect. Instead of connecting these two, I'm going to go to here, and then go from here to there, and then coming from here we're going to go from here to here, connect these two. Okay, now what's fun about this, and it can vary, is if you start shading this thing, you can create the illusion three-dimensional here, and you can do the same thing, darken this corner, work your way out this way, and the same thing here. And you can use lines to do that shading, or you can use a ebony pencil to do that shading. Now you know in real life this thing can't exist, but it's fun to see. See you next time.